sitting round feeling down in the dumps. Found his joy in nature, out busting his rum to share his joy with others. This is what he wants. His name is Jolly, and these are his jaunts. Yoo-hoo! Howdy folks, Jolly Green Giant checking in. Just wanted to show you, if you ever wondered how big a windmill, like a power generation windmill is. Oh, I'm in my car. Sorry, I gave you a little bit of the door frame there, but look, I mean, it's big enough. So that is a human-sized door. So that's how wide it is at the base. And use the interior to get up to the top. Massive. Alright, wanted to show ya. Peace.